to Study with Malsha YouTube channel. So, as I told you last week, we are going to start some advanced problems related to flowcharts today. So, I'm going to start with a sequence structure flowchart. In my first example, they have given us to find out the area of a circle by using a suitable flowchart. Before finding the area, you should know two things. First, the radius of the circle. Second, the formula that you need to use when calculating the area of our circle. Now let's start the flowchart with the oval symbol. Next, you should input the radius of your circle. So I'm going to use an input box for this. Now you need to give the process. That means the formula you need to follow when finding the area. Now let's add the output. Means the area of the circle. Now we can end it. Now let's go to our next question. Here we are going to find whether a given number is odd or even. As we have learned in our small ages, if a number is even, the remainder, what we get after dividing, should always be 0. Or else, if our number is odd, the remainder should be always 1. So, I have started with my oval symbol as usual. Now, I am going to input the number that I need. Then we should check the remainder after dividing by 2. So, now I should decide what will happen once after I get the remainder. As I explained before, if the remainder is equal to 0, it will be an even number, else it will be an odd number. Now we can end both output boxes like this. So here see, this flowchart comes under selection structure. Next week we will be learning problems related to repetition structure flowcharts. So my dear friends, I hope this part is very clear for you. So you can subscribe my channel and like this video. So see you with another new video soon. Thank you very much.